Learning lesson for kids. Here are 5 learning lessons for kids. Practice makes perfect. Teach kids the value of practice and perseverance. Let them know that it is okay to make mistakes, but they should keep trying until they get it right. Respect others. Encourage children to be kind and respectful to others. Teach them to listen and empathize with others, and to treat everyone with respect, regardless of differences in race, gender, religion, or culture. Be responsible. Teach kids to take responsibility for their actions and their belongings. They should understand the importance of keeping their promises and commitments, and taking care of their own things. Learn from failure. Help kids understand that failure is not the end of the world. Instead, it is an opportunity to learn from mistakes and make improvements. Encourage them to try again and to never give up. Be curious. Foster a sense of curiosity and love for learning in children. Encourage them to explore and ask questions about the world around them. Help them discover new things and learn about different cultures and ideas.